Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So guys, in this video you will see old jeans bag with embroidery are a beautiful example of how creativity can turn something old into something stylish and meaningful. These bags are made by reusing worn or unused denim jeans and decorating them with hand embroidery. The result is a unique, eco-friendly bag that blends strong denim fabric with delicate artistic details. Denim is a durable and long-lasting material which makes old jeans perfect for making. When combined with embroidery, the rough and strong texture of jeans becomes soft, elegant, and visually attractive. The embroidery adds color, pattern, and personality to the bag, making each piece truly one of a kind. Old jeans bag can be designed in many styles, such as tote bags, handbags, sling bags, backpacks, potly bags, and pouch bags. Embroidery designs may include floral patterns, sleeves, geometric shapes, ethnic motifs, birds, hearts, or abstract art. Some designs are simple and minimal, while others are rich and detailed, depending on the artist's creativity. One of the most special qualities of embroidery jeans bags is that no two bags are ever the same. The natural fading of denim combined with handmade embroidery creates a unique look that cannot be copied by machine-made products. Each stitch reflects time, patience, and love. These bags are also very practical. They are strong enough for daily use and spacious enough to carry essentials like wallets, phones, books, and makeup items. Old jeans bags with embroidery are perfect for shopping, college, office use, casual outings, and even travel. From an eco-friendly point of view, these bags support recycling and sustainable fashion. Instead of throwing away old jeans, they are transformed into useful and beautiful accessories. This helps reduce waste and promotes a responsible lifestyle. Old jeans embroidered bags match many fashion styles. They look great with casual outfits, boho dresses, ethnic wear, and even simple jeans and top looks. The handmade embroidery adds a warm, artistic touch that makes the bag stand out. These bags also make thoughtful and meaningful gifts. Because they are handmade and unique, they carry emotional value. Gifting an embroidered denim bag means gifting creativity, sustainability, and